Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome to this channel. God bless you for coming here today. I want to teach you another way I grow my hair with red berry leaves. It's very, very powerful. It's very, very great. If you have not been using it, this is red berry leaf. It has a lot of great benefits. So you have to wash first before we start using it, and it has a lot of benefits. It's loaded with antioxidants, and it has a vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, and it has vitamin A. Oh my god, I just take it. I'm going to show you two ways I use it. This is the first one I'm showing you. You just take few and pound it. The if you want more, you put more. Okay, so you just pound it this way. If you don't have this mortar, you can do it in your blender. Okay, so that is just it. You just do it this way. You put it into your jar. After putting it into your jar, if you don't want to put it this way, this is the way I do it. You just add your oil to it. This is just vegetable oil. It's so good, guys. You add it to it, and we are going to place it on the pot. So it's going to be there for 15 minutes, just for the nutrients and all to enter. So the second way is what I'm doing, guys. This is so loaded. It's so loaded. It has vitamin C, it has vitamin A. You know what vitamin A can do on your hair? Vitamin A is very good. It has antioxidant and is very good for your hair. So it's beneficiary for your hair. And if you're using this product, if you are using this natural hair product, you are going to see your hair growing. So this blender just little water. You see, I didn't put all of them. You just blend. Sorry for the splat. So you just blend. I'm going to be adding the remaining ones, but I just want to blend it. I don't want too much water. So this liquid, I will use it to blend the other one. So now I have to add the rest to it. Guys, this is very good for your hair. Your hair is going to love it. It's going to make your hair grow, and it's going to help your hair shiny. It's going to stop breakage on your hair. This is very good. You know, vitamin A is good for our body, is good for hair, and vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, it has it. Vitamin B, it has it. It's very good. When you are using it, you are going to love it. So you just blend it this way. After blending, you see the other one is still boiling. So now we want to sip. You just take your sipper and your clothes just to sip. Just simple. You just do it this way. Every natural hair product is very good. Everything that you see that is natural, that has a lot of great benefit, because it has been given to us to use, is a blessing. When you are using all these things on your hair, you are going to see it. You just press it this way. You see, simple as ABCD. Is very simple. It's very simple. It's not going to take your time. You will see your natural hair. So this bottle, I bought mayonnaise with it. So when the mayonnaise finish, I have to wash it and keep it. You see, so that is it. I just keep it, so I don't need to buy another bottle anymore. So this is what I used to apply. I used to apply it on my hair, you see. So now the oil is okay. I have to bring it down from the pot, the gas. So I'm going to be sipping the oil. You see, 2 in 1. This is 2 in 1. And just one ingredient with your oil. That is what we use. Very okay and powerful. This is loaded. Vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin A, antioxidant, is very loaded. You see, it's very good, and it's good for your skin. You see the way it is. You just apply the other liquid on your hair, all over your hair. You have to wear the cloth you know you are not wearing out. So, and you have to put towel on your body, or you have to do it in the bedroom. So this is just it. You just massage your skull. You just massage it very well. Massage it. Just love it when you are doing it. You just cover it and leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. After that, you rub oil on it. Thank you. God bless you. Subscribe to this channel, I please. God bless you.